It's summertime and nobody wants to turn on the oven, but we do want a sweet treat. Today I'm sharing a sweet, fudgy, simple, slow cooker brownie recipe. I believe this came from a Crockpot official cookbook years ago. I remember that it was in kind of a bindery type cookbook, and I transcribed it a number of times as it's gotten crap all over it over the years. So I'm gonna give credit to Crockpot, but it has kind of evolved over time. My name's Larissa, and here we share tips and tricks for making life a little bit easier, like doing baking in a crock pot, in case your oven's broken, in case it's summertime and the kids want a hot fudge sundae. This is going to take things up a notch. Onto the stove, I'm going to put half a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm going to let that come up to a boil, and then I'm going to mix the other ingredients in a bowl. I'm taking 2.5 cups of brownie mix, so just a package of brownie mix, 1 box of chocolate pudding mix. You can add in 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips. I'm omitting that today because I am using the Godiva brownie mix, and that has chocolate chips in it already. 2 eggs and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. All of that gets mixed together and dumped into a lined slow cooker. As soon as the pot on the stove begins to boil, you just pour that over top of the brownie mix in the slow cooker. Make sure that you put a clean tea towel over the top of the slow cooker before you put the lid on, and this will absorb any condensation. And then you're going to just leave it. It's going to cook on high for 1.5 hours, and then you'll turn off the slow cooker and just let it rest for 1/2 hour. And that's it. That's all the steps that it takes to make a super fudgy, delicious brownie. You can serve this on its own, or you can scoop some ice cream, put some sprinkles, a little hot fudge sauce on top of it, and make it into a whole experience. Once it's cooled a bit and you can take the liner out of the slow cooker, you can slice it into squares, or you can dive in. Grab a spoon. No judgment here. Let us know in the comments, what's your go-to summer sweet treat? Are you a cake or brownie with your ice cream kind of person, or just straight up sundaes? Or maybe something else, popsicles. They are great, and they are great hydrators. If you try out these brownies, please let us know how it goes. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this and would like some more slow cooker recipes, make sure that you like and subscribe. And remember that you are not alone trying to stay cool this summer.